Hello. Welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. Today, I'm going to do a series where I do some throwbacks to some great collabs with YouTube creators. And today's collab is going to be with Midas Cosmetics and Smokey Glow. And then when this palette came out, it sold out several times. And then they had a 50% off sale recently at Midas. And I picked up this and a few other palettes just to give it a go. Since it was such a great deal, you know, what the hell. So this is what the palette looks like. It is very pretty. And of course I have magic swatches. And I know you want to see those. Bam! And right there. There's 18 colors here. And it's swatched pretty well. Some of them were kind of light, but once again, as we know from swatching, that a lot of times it's different when you use a brush and put it on your eye. And I've got a base down on my eye, so it's easier to use colors. And I'm going to do a colorful purplish look today. That's my goal. That's what I'm starting out doing. Whether it ends up like that, we never know. Oh, actually we do know because we watch and learn and grow. Anyway, so I'm going to start off with the color Friends in the crease. It is a silky little pink number. It's got a little shimmer to it. And Smokey Glow's channel has grown quite a bit since this collab came out. And if you're not familiar with Smokey Glow, you should definitely check her out. But in this series, I'm going to do just, you know, some great collab palettes and look back on them. And a lot of them were hard to get when they first came out, but now they're easier to get. And, you know, see what's what. And I thought it would be a lot of fun to just take a look and see what we can find and do. Next, I'm going to go into Leno, this great purple right here, which is a really cool shimmer. It looks like it's going to be a little lighter than I expected. But it's going on like a champ. It's very ethereal. It's a very beautiful lavender shimmer. It's very, very pretty and soft. And we love pretty and soft. And then I'm going to go into, it's hard to choose. It's not a darker purple, which is kind of, there's like this fuchsia purple. Let's try that. This is going to be bright as hell. That's pretty. And this is a matte, and it's called Content. And that layering of the color is nice. That's very pretty. And let's blend it out some. It's looking great with these other colors that I already have down. Look, there's a little bald spot right here. Oh, this is looking fun. This is a fun look. And I'm going to go into group chat with my finger. And put it on the inside crease there, inside corner. It's a beautiful light pink shimmer. Oh, it's so bright and colorful. I'm really digging it. Let's do a little something darker to make it have some depth. And I guess I'm going to go for Doofa. Just grab a little tiny brush, go in there. And it's looking like a dark purple, almost black. I'm blending it out. And a little more on this side. But it's turning out to be a deep purple. It did not look like that when I swatched it. And that's looking super cute. I'm gonna buff it out with this soft fluffy brush. Looks very dramatic and cool. And I know once I put lashes or mascara and liner on, it'll look great. I'll be right back. And voila, we have mascara and liner on, and it totally makes this look pop. It is super bright and cheerful and purple, and I love it, and that was my goal for today. And today I'm going to put on a complimentary lip, which is going to be number 120 from Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink, and this is called Artist. And this looks fantastic, and I'm super happy with this. And I'm glad that I went and got this Smokey Glow Collab palette from Midas Cosmetics. It made a beautiful look, and this palette was super popular when it came out. I hope you're having a great day or day of choice, and we'll see you real soon.